What's the meaning of blab? Blab. Blab.
Blab. Blab. The word blab is a verb that means to reveal secrets or confidential information indiscreetly. It can also refer to someone who talks excessively or speaks in a foolish or pointless manner. The word is often used in a negative context, suggesting that the person who blabs is untrustworthy or lacks good judgment. The origins of the word blab date back to Middle English, where it was used to describe someone who was talkative or prone to gossip. Today, the word is commonly used in informal settings and can be used to describe both people and situations where confidential information has been revealed without permission or discretion.